Welcome back to Python MC. In this section, we are going to look at string methods in Python. String methods are simply actions you can take with strings. In this case, we have an example of strip, which is a string method for removing white spaces from a string. So we have string method, string underscore example has this example with a bunch of white spaces in it. We just say string strip underscore example dot strip, and then I'll strip all the extra characters, all the extra white space rather, off that. Now lower will simply convert our string in this example that's shouting hello. We're going to convert that to lowercase. So lower underscore example, the variable name dot lower, and then we get shouting hello in lowercase. Then we have the replace method, which will replace the string, replace the first argument with the second argument. So in this case, the replace example, the string example is shouting hello. We're going to replace the word shouting with whispering, but just by using the string dot replace, in this case replace underscore example, the variable dot replace, and shouting and whispering, now it says whispering hello. Third example, we use example of a string that shows a time stamp, or so it's 0 hours, 5 minutes, 20 seconds. And now it's going to use the find method to search the string, starting from the left, and return the index of the first instance of the argument. So in this case, it's trying to find the first instance of the colon. In this case, it's index number 1. So now we can use a little bit extra code, and we'd be able to pull out the hours in that video timestamp. Our find will search the string, same thing as find, except it starts from the right. So it'll turn the index starting from right of the first instance it sees, in this case of a colon, just by saying start time dot rfind, and then colon is the argument. You see it's at index 4. So now we could break this string up into hours, minutes, and seconds pretty easily just by using find and rfind. You'll find that's really handy to find a bunch of stuff in text, and like maybe you're trying to find email addresses or pull out different information from a long text document. And the last one is int. An int converts a character, like the character 2, into the number 2. So you can do mathematical operations on it. In this case, I want to add the number 2 to 10, but 2 is in string format. I convert that string into an integer, and now I'm able to do mathematical operations. So the last example here I'll show you is just how you can access all the different methods associated with string, and just say print dir. In this case, we're going to type in str, which is the string, and then you'll see all the different methods in Python you can use with string. You see many of the methods we just used just now. That's it. Get into it. We'll see you again on Python MC. Python MC.